Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to create a DeepSeek API key in just a couple of minutes. If you've been looking to integrate DeepSeek chat into your projects, this is exactly what you need. So yeah, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to platform.deepseek.com. This is where you'll manage your API keys, usage, and account settings. Now, log into your DeepSeek account. If you already have one, just sign in using your email or Google account. If not, you'll need to sign up first. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're in, look at the left menu and click on API keys. Now, hit Create New API Key. Enter a name, like Test Key, and click Create. After creating it, your new API key will appear on screen. Click Copy to save it somewhere safe. You can also edit or revoke it later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created your DeepSeek API key. Now you can start using it for your projects or integrations. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.